Welcome to this product introduction for Symantec Data Loss Prevention, Symantec's solution for protecting your organization's confidential data. Symantec Data Loss Prevention addresses the problem of data loss, which refers to an organization's loss of control over what it defines as its confidential data. One example of data loss would be when an employee sends customer information via email to an unauthorized organization. Another example might be when a user uploads employee information to a cloud application and then shares that information externally. Such actions may be well-meaning and naive, or they may be malicious. In general, Symantec has found that well-meaning insiders cause a fair amount of data loss simply by handling confidential data inappropriately. This slide shows a couple other examples of threats to your organization's confidential data. In general, confidential data is whatever data your organization deems sensitive and wants to protect. Some of this is defined by regulations and some by the interests of the organization itself. Two broad categories of confidential data are customer information and company information. Customer information may include credit card info, medical records, identification numbers, and customer financial information. Company information may include intellectual property like product design documents, organizational strategy documents, internal audit records, and HR records. Symantec Data Loss Prevention offers a robust set of detection methods to identify confidential information. Methods in the described content matching category include looking for keywords or for numerical patterns. Exact data matching lets you look for specific combinations of values from structured data sources, such as employee or customer databases. For example, occurrences of first name, last name, and an associated credit card number. Indexed document matching refers to the ability to detect whole or partial confidential documents, while vector machine learning detects documents that are similar to sample files that you provide and that Symantec Data Loss Prevention learns to recognize. Finally, Symantec Data Loss Prevention can analyze standardized forms, such as insurance forms, for example, as well as images that contain text. We could talk about each of these detection methods at great length, but the thing to keep in mind is that according to the Gartner Analyst Group, Symantec offers the most comprehensive sensitive data techniques in the market. After an organization sets up its detection policies in Symantec Data Loss Prevention, it can use those policies to discover where the confidential data resides in the organization, to monitor how that data is being used, and to prevent that data from leaving the organization's control. For example, by quarantining or encrypting a confidential file discovered on a file share, or by blocking the transmission of an unauthorized confidential email to external recipients. Symantec Data Loss Prevention can monitor a wide array of storage repositories and communication vectors for confidential data. As shown here, it can cover endpoint computers, network transmissions, a wide variety of data repositories, and through its integration with Symantec CloudSoc, Symantec's Cloud Access Security Broker, a wide variety of cloud-based applications. Over the years, business and software analysts have recognized Symantec Data Loss Prevention as a leader, if not the leader, in the data loss prevention market space. As just one example, you can see here that Symantec Data Loss Prevention has been designated by the Gartner Analyst Group as a leader in its space for 10 years in a row. Symantec employees can be confident that our data loss prevention offering is very strong and is constantly evolving to cover new threats. If you or a customer you know are interested in learning more about Symantec data loss prevention or another Symantec product, the Symantec Education Services Group can help. We offer instructor-led training, an on-demand e-learning library, and certification options for Symantec products. You can visit us on the web at go.symantec.com/education. Thanks very much for your attention.